What is Wati.io? How do you use Wati.io as a beginner? Today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know in terms of how to use all of their feature-rich tools and how you can take advantage of their benefits. If you do want to get started, you can use the link in the description down below. You will get a 7-day free trial to test out all of their awesome features. Let's dive in. All right, so from a technical standpoint, Wati is a WhatsApp business API solution that helps small to medium-sized businesses engage with customers on WhatsApp. They offer tons of awesome features like chatbots, shared team inboxes, and broadcast messaging. However, what is it that they actually do to really benefit your WhatsApp experience? Let's have a look. So if you go ahead from their homepage and tap on free trial, you have 7 days to explore all of their features. Now, I'm going to run through this relatively quickly, and maybe at a later stage, we will do a full tutorial of all of their features in detail. So for now, your team inbox, all you need to do is simply scan this QR code or tap on the WhatsApp web or the WhatsApp desktop app, and you can instantly sync all of your team members on one single space. It'll come up right over here. Let's jump into broadcast over here. So broadcasting allows you to select or create a template and then submit it for WhatsApp approval. This means that you can create a template for broadcasting messages. It's really quick and it's really simple. Being able to create a chatbot that allows you to chat to your customers when you are not available. Let's say you are working with international clients. Maybe the time that they are active is not the time that you're active. They have tons of already built chatbots that you can use. As you can see, this long list over here. And all you need to do is click on any one of them to make it really, really simply customized. So let's go ahead. This very first one. Once you click on it, it gives you this editor. You can simply use your mouse wheel to zoom out. You can click and drag to move it about. And here you can see that you can change each little segment over here. So of course you'll have a starting step. So this is where your customer will start their conversation. So for example, this one says, "Thanks for your cart. Would you like to continue with the purchase?" You can actually change all of this. So you can actually, you can edit it. So let's say we're going to edit it. You can change the header text, the body of the text. You can customize the way it's written. If you go down over here, you can also customize the footer text, the buttons, and then you can also save your answers in a variable, right? So this is a pre-made template that you can use, and you can change the way this workflow works. And once you're actually done, you can go ahead and click on Save Chat over here. So you can save your chatbot right over there. I'm going to go out. What you can also do is go to the top right hand side, click on Add Chatbot, and here you can actually give it a name. So let's just say Chatbot 1. Let's say add, and here you can build your own workflow, your conversation flow from scratch. Okay, we also have a couple predefined responses here, so you can actually check this send a message, ask a question, or set a condition. These then also are followed by different operations. And then you have catalogs, which is your sets or your products, which you can add in here as well. And again, you can completely customize this to your liking. You can then go ahead and save your chatbot, and it will actually be over here in this list. So you can go ahead and actually continue to edit your chatbot as your needs and your means change. You can also sync all of your contacts over here. So you can import all of your contacts, and you can manage them all here. You can also run ads on WhatsApp, which is great. You can manage all of your ads right over here from your spend. You can see different conversion rates and your costs versus conversions. And then they've got tons of automations as well, which you can run through, and you can create complete fantastic automations such as keyword actions, reply materials, routing. Your chatbots are in here as well, and also sequences. And then they have a More tab, which allows you to view all of your analytics, your API docs. You have a user management panel. You can have a look and manage all of your integrations over here. And you also have webhooks and then your commerce. So there's tons of features within Wati, and you've got 7 days to really try it out and see if it will work for you. And chances are it will, because they are so feature rich. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below to get started and enjoy the benefits. Why not? Give it a go. We'll see you in another awesome video. Take care.